So this video is about how to use the hook ladder, and we're going to assume that we're getting up the roof for the very first time to figure out where to put in an anchor and then to install the anchor. So on this pitch, I know the pitch of the roof here is 812, so I could normally walk it, but in this video, I'm just going to install the hook ladder to see how it works. And when I'm first getting onto the roof, I always want to think about the safest way to get up the very first time. So I want my first ladder up onto a first-story roof line rather than onto like a second-story roof line if it's a different option. The lowest point is the best point. So I'm going to go up with the hook ladder and I'll show you how it gets put in place. All right, now that we're up here, I'm going to place the hook ladder. So I'll walk it up. Get that over the ridge. There we go. And then I can step off of here onto here. I can make my way up towards the peak to install the roof anchor. So when you're placing your hook ladder, be really aware that the shingles here overlap the roof by an inch or two. So you don't ever want to place this rung of the ladder all the way from the edge here. That's not at all safe. You got to place it about there, at least 4 inches in from the edge. There we go. So another move you can do, now I'm here, I can kind of support myself with this ledge if I need to. And I can move the hook ladder. You know, try to avoid dragging it and scratching the roof. And then you can get the next peak. And I'll show you one more move. So once you're up onto the peak, you can bring it up with you. And you can go to the other half as well. There we go. But in this video, we're on our way up to the peak to install the harness up here. So I'm going to be walking that way next. That's it.